Alright, let's dive into our review of the brand new Oscal Tiger 13 from Blackview, a company known for producing high-quality devices at reasonable prices. So what's this phone all about? Well, it's powered by a 5th generation Socket D760 octa-core processor, designed to deliver smooth and strong performance even when running heavy apps or demanding games. And yes, it's running Android 14, which means you get an upgraded user interface and a more seamless experience overall. Now, let's talk about the screen. You're getting a 6.67-inch IPS display, which is pretty big, and it supports a smart refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. This translates into smoother scrolling and faster response times whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. Plus, it's full HD, so everything you see, whether it's text or images, will be sharp and clear. When it comes to memory, this phone packs 8 GB of RAM, but here's the cool part. You can expand it virtually to 16 GB, giving you a better multitasking experience. For storage, it comes with 256 GB built in, but you can boost that all the way up to 2 TB with a microSD card. So yeah, plenty of space for all your photos, videos and apps. Speaking of photos, the cameras are pretty impressive. The main rear camera is a 50 megapixel Samsung GNI sensor, which will capture high quality images even in low light. There's also a 2 megapixel macro lens for super close-up shots, perfect for getting those tiny details like flowers or jewelry. And if you're into portrait shots, the 2 megapixel depth sensor helps create that nice blurred background effect. On the front, you've got an 8 megapixel Samsung G4 camera for sharp bright selfies. Now let's get into battery life. This phone is rocking a 5000 mAh battery, which means you can easily get through your day without constantly worrying about recharging. Plus, it supports dual nano SIM cards or one SIM card with a TF memory card, so you've got some flexibility there for managing your contacts and data. In terms of navigation, you're covered with GPS, Galileo, Beidou and GLONASS, making this phone perfect for travel. And of course, it's got all the extras like Google Play for downloading apps, OTG for connecting external devices, FM radio, NFC for wireless payments, and face recognition for quick and secure access. As for network compatibility, you're set for the future with 5th generation support, allowing for super fast internet speeds of several gigabits per second. But don't worry, it also supports 4th generation Tube and Wi-Fi and traditional GSM networks, so it'll work just fine on pretty much any network around the world. If you want more info about network compatibility in your country, just click the link below the video for all the details on this awesome phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mag 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.